Okay. This is a recap of the wiring. We're done with the wiring. So basically, to explain what's happening here is the white are the kind of LED exhibition lights. It's an 18 gauge 4-wire LED shielded cable. There's our snake. Okay. And to go over the LED, what I've got going against the wall, that's going to be right here, there's going to be a control panel for lighting. And perhaps it will control an awning light, we don't know yet. So I've wired it anyway, or at least I've given the option to do that. The control panel, which will be run via a remotely located up here at the front, near the power supply. That will then distribute LED lighting via these white cables. I've run an extra cool snake, which also adds a frame support because the Kusa flooring is a little bit more supple than plywood, that cheap shit that they use. I've run double wires, that's 8 wires, enabling 4 LED strips to be brought to this side, and the same over here, doubles. I've run down through the floor on both sides 2 more cables, allowing 8 wires, in other words 4 LED lights on either side. I could have 2 strips and then 2 more strips, or 2 more auxiliary, who knows what, okay? It leaves the option there. It also adds an extra brake line. If for some inexplicable reason the existing brake wires go bad, I've got backups in place. The wiring then continues down to the rear of the cabin, which comes all the way back to the bedroom, which I've run LED left and LED right. I've also run a power cable, that black cable, which can go to a camera or whatever else you'd like to power from the front. I'm already starting to put in my rock wool. So my next video is going to show you basically the entire Airstream rock wool.